Hey guys, let's make some DIY allergy-free Valentines. All you need is a bowl, those crayons you had left over, a silicone mold, some Valentine's cards, and some gift bags. First, you're going to fill your bowl up with some warm soapy water, and then you're going to go ahead and drop your crayons right in. You're going to let those soak for a couple of minutes or until the wrapper slides right off. Next, you're going to go ahead and break those crayons up and start filling out your mold. I only needed the smaller hearts, but depending on the mold you use, do what works best for you. Afterwards, you're going to go ahead and take that silicone mat and stick it inside of a pan or on top of a cookie sheet. You're going to stick that in the oven at 375 degrees, and you're going to wait until it's completely liquefied. I then stuck mine in the freezer so that they can cool down quicker. And while we waited, I had Bella fill out all the cards with her name on it. Once they were done, I carefully popped out the hearts out of the silicone mat and I started filling the gift bag. After sealed up, there you have it. Allergy-free Valentines for your kids' class. Like, share, and save for later.